Just, I think you need to come out here. Close up.
Oh my gosh. That's
What is it?
a new ATV.
Oh my goodness.
And it has a paddle. Let's see if it will move.
I think it's in gear. Push your foot down for a second. Okay, stop. Oh, Brayden.
It did work! Where did that come from?
What do you think brought it?
Wow! Let's see if it's right.
Just don't drive it out in the road.
Why?
Why do you think, Brayden? Well, you just ran over Mommy's fence. I think there's a good reason why. Okay, push your foot on the pedal.
Pedal down.
Can't.
Do you want Daddy to sit on it with you and help you?
Yes.
You can pull that thing off the back, Neil, and sit on it.
Huh? The gears are working.
Scoot forward a little bit.